and also on the board, because it's just a piece of cheap MDF or particle board. I can run my machine, I can screw into it to hold parts down, and I can cut it, and I'll probably cut little, if I go just slightly below the piece, I can cut into this board. It won't hurt anything at all. And then when I wear it out, I'll just take it off and put another piece on. So it's replaceable. That's what that's designed to be, is a replaceable tabletop, so that you cut into this instead of into the actual frame.